Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to understand World Happiness Report 2021 that has been in news since last 3 days. Last 3 दिन से World Happiness Report 2021 न्यूज में है, तो इसको समझना काफी important हो जाता है हमारे लिए और ये prelims के लिए काफी important है. So if you're watching this session, make sure that you are making notes, taking simultaneous notes, right, along with the session, and also do not forget to download the PDF of this class from our Telegram channel Simplifying UPSC with Ease. The link is given below in the description box of the video. ओके वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको लिंक दिया हुआ है, वहां से आप लोग उसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, क्लास के PDF को डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. ठीक है, So let's start the session. Start करते हैं आज की क्लास without any delay. Also before we start the session, there is a small announcement for all of you. आपके लिए एक छोटी सी announcement है that daily you have to give prelims mock test if you are preparing for the upcoming preliminary examination. And also have a very good news for all of you. Unacademy has launched new batches which are starting from tomorrow, that is 24th of March 2021. And along with those batches, we have a very great news for all of you. उन batches के साथ साथ एक छोटी सी important news है about the extension of the batches. I'll show you the extension also. As you can see that if you subscribe today to Unacademy Plus, you will get 1 year extended Unacademy subscription which is valid till prelims 2022. अगर आप आज एक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो ना Unacademy Plus का, आप कितने भी मंथ्स का सब्सक्रिप्शन लो, आपको 1 ईयर का एक्सटेंडेड सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगा जो कि प्रीलिम्स 2022 तक वैलिड होगा. गारंटीड सब्सक्रिप्शन टिल जुलाई 31st 2022. और ये जो ऑफर है ये बस मार्च 31st 2021 तक वैलिड है, यानी कि अभी 31 मार्च तक ही ये ऑफर वैलिड है. अगर आप कितने भी महीने की सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो, आपको 1 साल का एक्सटेंडेड वर्जन मिल जाएगा इस सब्सक्रिप्शन का. एक्सटेंड हो जाएगी 1 साल तक आपकी सब्सक्रिप्शन, बट 31 मार्च 2021 से पहले सब्सक्रिप्शन करना होगा. ठीक है, इफ यू सब्सक्राइब बिफोर 31st March 2021 then you are going to get guaranteed subscription till July 31st 2022. This is the offer that we have launched. Time is very less and we have many more courses which are getting launched, batches which are getting launched from tomorrow, right? 1 and 2 year batch है, batches for prelims 2021, NCERT batches, optional combo है हमारे पास, right? So you can go and subscribe today. जल्दी से अभी के अभी सब्सक्रिप्शन अपना ले लीजिए. This offer is valid till 31st March 2021 only. Okay, and also you can use code ARPITA10 to get 10% discount on your subscription as well. 10% का discount direct आपको मिलेगा अगर आप ये code use करते हो ARPITA10. Alright, so go subscribe now. The link is given below in the description box. So now let's start with the World Happiness Report 2021. First of all, you have to remember who has published this report. So United Nations Sustainable Development Solution Network has published the World Happiness Index 2021 report on 19th March 2021. Right? अब 19th March को ये report index जो है ये publish हुआ है. किसने publish किया है? United Nation के Sustainable Development Solution Network ने. And what is India's ranking? India ranked 139 in this report, right? ये 9th World Happiness Report है, ये आपको याद रखना है, जिसमें इंडिया की रैंकिंग 139 है. It has been released in March 2021. इंडिया की रैंक 2020 में यानी कि लास्ट ईयर थी 144. लास्ट ईयर our rank was 144. Now this year our rank is 139. Now what is this Sustainable Development Solutions Network? It is to the United Nations. It publishes the World Happiness Report. इसका काम है कि happiness लोगों की countries की parameter, happiness के parameter पे countries को judge करना. The latest edition of report was published on 20th March 2021, which also celebrated the World Happiness Day. So you have to remember 20th March is World Happiness Day as well. India's rank of happiness based on 2020 score, right? India's overall rank जो है वो 139 है, ये आपको याद रखना है. All right. So what is this World Happiness Report? Basically, this report ranks countries on the basis of किसके basis पे rank करता है countries को? How happy their citizens perceive themselves to be. Country के नागरिक जो हैं वो अपने आप को कितना happy मानते हैं, उस basis पे countries को rank किया जाता है. So it is very different from Human Development Report. Human Development Report focuses on 3 parameters: healthy life, knowledge and standard of living. But happiness report is based on happiness, how citizens they perceive themselves to be happy, right? Citizens अपने आप को कितना happy मानते हैं, इसके basis पे happiness report तैयार की जाती है. ठीक है, यहाँ तक point clear हो रहा है आप लोगों को? चलो. Now the World Happiness Report 2021 has ranked 140 countries, and the World Happiness Report ranks countries taking into consideration 6 variables. Now what are these 6 variables? ये आपको याद रखना है prelims के लिए कि ये 6 variables जो हैं ये क्या हैं, ठीक है? So the first variable is GDP per capita, then we have social support, then we have healthy life expectancy at birth, freedom to make life choices, generosity and perceptions of corruption. These are the parameter variables which are taken into account when World Happiness Report is prepared. GDP, that is purchasing power parity, कितना purchase कर सकते हो given amount of money के साथ. Social support, health life expectancy, that is at birth, freedom to make life choices and generosity and perceptions of corruption. You have to take into account all these 6 variables. Okay, so what are the findings of the World Happiness Report 2021? Basically it uses the Gallup World Poll data. Remember this, इसको याद रखना. Gallup World Poll data use किया जाता है in order to find research about the world happiness. And see, despite COVID pandemic, there were no major changes in the ranking of the countries. Unemployment during pandemic is associated with 12% decline in life satisfaction. मतलब पूरी जीवन में जो satisfaction में decline आया है वो unemployment के वजह से इस pandemic के दौरान 12% ही आया है, and 9% increase negative effects में आया है. Now एक point आपको जो याद रखना है वो ये है that Finland has booked its top slot in the happiness report. It is the happiest country in the world, and this is the 4th time that Finland has been at the top. पिछले साल के report में भी Finland top पर था. So top countries based on 2020 score were Finland, Denmark, Switzerland, Iceland, Netherlands, Norway, Sweden, Luxembourg, New Zealand and Austria. These were the top 10 countries, right? Over here you can see rank of India's neighbors in the World Happiness Rankings 2021. You see Sri Lanka is at the top. Bhutan की rank अभी official report में mention नहीं थी, but it is 3rd. Then countries at bottom of the rankings are Rwanda, Zimbabwe and Afghanistan. These are the 3 bottom countries. United Nation का जो rank है वो 19th रहा है World Happiness Ranking 2021 में. US has ranked 19th. So we have Finland as the happiest country, and other 4 countries in the top 5 are, those are Denmark, we have Switzerland, then we have Iceland, Norway, which has fell from 3rd to 5th position. ये आपके 2020 की ranking थी, ठीक है? This was 2020's ranking and this is 2021's ranking. Again, Finland is at the top only. India की आपको score याद रखना है, that is 139. Okay, so this was the World Happiness Report of 2021. You have to remember who publishes it. आपको ये याद रखना है कि कौन इसको publish करता है. You have to remember what is the rank of the top 5 countries and India's rank and India's neighbors rank. आपको neighbors के बारे में भी याद रखना है, ठीक है? और इंडिया का रैंक याद रखना है आपको, ठीक है? So these are the, and plus the aims and the variables which are used to prepare this happiness report, that you have to remember. So we have studied 6 variables. All right, so this was your World Happiness Report of 2021. Also, do not forget to take your subscription of Unacademy Plus today, because if you take subscription before 31st March 2021, your subscription will be extended for 1 more year till July 31st 2022, right? This is a mega subscription offer that is going to last till March 31st 2021. उससे पहले subscribe कर लीजिएगा. Link is given below in the description box. On this note, we are wrapping up the session. Also, the class PDF will be uploaded on the Telegram channel. You can download it from there. Okay, so on this note, we are wrapping up the session. Thank you everybody for participating in the class.